Omuhuriye ekitongole kya MTN y'okutungura ebyobwegyese omu ihanga kurabira omukozesa za karimagezi erikumanywa nka digital transformation in education. Aba MTN Foundation baha ishomero rya Revival Girls High School Computer Lab. Laboratory ejetirwe mu za computer 20 hamwe na internet okubasabe jabo kushoma kurungi.
If I may mention what we have provided, I'm happy to mention that MTN Uganda supported Revival Girls High School with 10 computers, as earlier said, 24-hour power backup. 24-hour. Most backups on the market run for 12 hours. For us, we are saying 24 hours. You're free to use the computers without any disturbances.
Fazil da Mororo kure ekitongole kya MTN ahabwa burenje bw'izoba nagira ngo ekino bakikora nka umwaha bujunanizwa bwabo ubwo kongera ahantunguka yihanga.
So we believe by just kickstarting the young generation, by providing them with the rightful skills and technology, we are not only helping them to learn, but we also give them a solution so that they can find jobs in the future and better their lives.
Mbweni nkitwe nkishomero ntusima munonga hakuba nikiza kutuyambaho munonga kurebeka ngo abana bitu bine access computers babahereza waka eyibine kwerondera bakerondera answer bagende bakore research wako mu computer
kandi tuhaga munitwe nka district tujagumana tubahajerimo aba MTN aho murayendere obuhabuzi bwitu na nobuhwezu bwitu abo kuba egi support imwataha na nendijo mosere mutwire ntuhurira nk'aba district twayesima munonga.
Ekitongole kya MTN cyahereze kombeka laboratory za computers urukwikankaganisha to kwetorora ihanga omu mashomero ga senior primary hamwe n'agandi matendekero g'ebyobwegyese. Ahabwa TV West nde era akiza.